Now, with Square, it has always been a kind of varied pricing. And with the varied pricing, you ended up having a subscription for marketing, you had a subscription for the SMS, there was a subscription for restaurants, there was a subscription. So there was a lot of different price points that you could use. So now they have really taken the core products that most businesses will use and created three plans for their platform now. So you still have the Square Free, and with Square Free, you still get your POS. You have the online site, the item library, invoicing, booking, and you get access to the checking and savings account. That None of those features have typically changed. Square Plus is now $49 a month per location, and you do get a 30-day free trial where you get everything in Square free. Plus, you get POS features, lower processing fees, loyalty rewards program, which was before an additional cost, the email and text messaging marketing, which was another cost, and staff management. So this really helps business owners get what they need to get started and get rolling. With the Square Premium, if you need something more, you need more of text messaging or no gift card load fees, you also get a processing fee of 2.4% plus 15 cents. So they're really encouraging you to go forward and get on a paid plan that works for your business. They still have the options for the custom pricing, and they give you a kind of a list for each of the features that they have for each account now. So you should expect to see this change now in your Square platform. So you should have received an email maybe about 2 weeks ago that the pricing was going to change and that they were making some updates. So that is the update for the Square pricing, which I believe is a really big one and is very good for users because it was so hard before to figure out what you needed to pay before you even made the decision. Now they've made that a lot easier. So to find the Square pricing in your dashboard, you'll log in to your Square dashboard, and then you will go to settings, account and settings, and then pricing and subscriptions. And here is where you'll see the different subscriptions that you have, and you'll see the new Square plans now available for you to be able to go through and utilize those new plans. And you'll be able to click see what's new, and it'll take you to those plans, and you're able to choose a plan and move forward with the plan that fits for you.